Hey everybody, it's Mark and Annette Sterrett. Welcome to 2023.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. We hope you guys had a great holiday, and we are your hosts of the short-term rentals, the do's and the don'ts, and
Shake My Head Moments.
Shake My Head Moments. And we're here today to do our first Shake My Head moment for the new year. We're repeating this. I'll let you know. This is in our Facebook group, and if you haven't joined, please go ahead and join. And this was in writing. We put it, of course, as a post, but we wanted to do a video on it because this is going to be a funny one. And which one are we doing in that?
It's the one about the overstuffed refrigerator.
The overstuffed refrigerator, right. So just to give you a background, we were managing a cabin in Sevierville, and it slept 12 people. So the guests checked in, and about 24 hours later, we get a call saying that the refrigerator was not cooling. It wasn't working. So we decided that we needed to go ahead, and we went to Walmart, and we picked up a whole bunch of like styrofoam coolers, and then we put a whole bunch of bagged ice. I think that
bagged ice, styrofoam coolers, anything we could think of that would keep the items cold for them.
Yeah, especially if the refrigerator was broken, it was going to take time for people to get repairs, you know, that type of thing, get a service person out there. So we just wanted to be on the, make sure that we put our best foot forward and get that stuff out there. So we get in, and Annette opens up the refrigerator. What do you find?
It was completely packed with groceries. I've never seen so many bags of lettuce in my life. I don't know what they were preparing for, but it definitely was a problem because there were so many things packed in. The refrigerator couldn't keep up with cooling everything that was in there. And that is why they were having the issues they were having.
Right. So when Annette said there was bags of lettuce, I believe we counted at least 10 bags of lettuce. And I mean, when we opened up the refrigerator door, there was no room for any other items whatsoever.
I was quite impressed at how they packed it. I mean, it was amazing.
What was that game called? Is it where you do the stacking? It's like Jenga or something like that? Yeah. That's what it looked like. So it wasn't going to cool. There's no way any refrigerator repairman would say you overstuffed it. It's not going to cool and it will take forever to cool. So we ended up transferring all their perishables into the coolers, everything else, and we put the ice in there. And they ended up giving us a good review, I think.
We wanted to give the refrigerator a chance to do what it was supposed to do by lessening the amount of items. It's amazing. I'm not sure, maybe because they felt they might not see a grocery store while they were in town. I don't know.
Well, but what was funny was they weren't there when we got there. And they said, well, we're going to be out. And they were only going to be there for like 4 days. But they were out eating at a restaurant, and they had all this food, so we don't know what they were going to do with all that lettuce.
Yeah, and that being said, I mean, guests do that. That's a typical thing, as most people in cabin owning or overnight rentals will know. Sometimes guests will leave food there afterwards. They can't take it with them. But one of the things we feel is a good thing to do for guests coming in is either put some information on the refrigerator door stating that, not to overfill the refrigerators, but also add maybe some local restaurants, addresses to local grocery stores, how far they are from where they're staying, things like that. I know it's shared on social media, it's shared on probably the Airbnb websites and VRBOs, but just that reminder when the guests get there. Things get overwhelming on their end while they're preparing for vacation, and probably one of the things that they feel is a help is to have a lot of food on hand for a big group of people, obviously. So anything like that, just little notes.
Now, let's get to today's do's and don'ts, which also it's based on today's Shake My Head moment. So do's, go ahead, Annette.
Well, state on the refrigerator, please do not overfill. As I said before, just a quick little nice note saying, our refrigerator works well. We make sure it does. One way to keep it going that way is to not overfill it. And then also share the local grocery stores, directions maybe to it, addresses, things like that, again, are usually helpful. And also places for takeout. that'll help lessen the amount of groceries they need to put in the refrigerator.
Don't, and I'll do that one, don't lose sleep over your guests and wondering how they're gonna eat all that lettuce. Because it was a lot of lettuce. So anyways, we will be touching base throughout the year with these little videos, and we're going to be doing them on various locations. We hope to get out to Walter State Community College. They have a disc golf course there, and my son kind of got us all hooked into doing disc golf over the holidays. So we're going to go out and play there, but it's a beautiful campus, so we'll be doing some on-site locations and doing some videos there as well with Shake My Head moments and do's and don'ts.
Which is another thing that future guests might be interested in.
Disc golf, yeah. We're hooked, so we're going to go out and play. But in the meantime, we hope you enjoy your day, enjoy your week, and we wish you all the best this new year. See ya.